Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Michelle Viraboy. I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I have two kids. I'm high school graduate. I have experience here in Philippines for 4 years as a domestic helper with Finnish contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are as a domestic helper are taking care of newborn baby and kids, washing clothes, ironing, car washing, all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food of them, feeding them, make sure that they are healthy and clean, and by serving as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Ma'am and sir, it is necessary to be hardworking person, honesty, fast learning, God-fearing, multi-asking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Ma'am and sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.